Kolkata Port Trust, the only riverine port in India, began its 150-year-old journey from the humble screw-pile jetties and has so much more to its credit with a port-led development from the very inception.
हमारे पोर्ट्स जितने अधिक मात्रा में डेवलप हो, आधुनिक हो, टर्न अराउंड टाइम मिनिमम हो और तेज गति से चलने वाले जहाजों की श्रृंखला बढ़े, हम पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट पर बल दे रहे हैं ताकि हमारे समुद्री तट के 7,500 किलोमीटर का विशाल समंदर हमारे पास है.
From its inception in 1690, the city of Kolkata has contributed enormously to trade and development from the Eastern Trade Gateway, not only to the hinterland but also to neighboring countries.
Challenged by the natural hazards since inception, Kolkata Port Trust has continued to evolve over the years by modernizing operations, efficiency mapping, capacity augmentation, adopting the ethos of ease of business and redevelopment of available assets.
In 2015, after technical studies, the new Eden Channel was opened, leading to an increase in draft. This proved fortuitous for the port, reducing the dredging cost by around rupees 100 crores per annum.
Cape-sized vessels carrying bulk cargo of more than 54,000 tons of coal called at Kolkata Port for the first time in the history of the port in October 2018.
Today, the Kolkata port is ranked 5th among the major ports in the country, having raked in a profit of rupees 60 crores. After a sustained period of losses and the highest ever cargo handling of 63.76 million tons in the year 2018-19.
Repurposing of its vast assets has led to the old unused dry docks to be redesigned into the only ship repairing facility on the eastern coast in collaboration with Cochin Shipyards Limited.
The old warehouses along the riverfront are in the process of being redesigned as the Riverside Development Project for cultural and social use.
Sustained efforts at mechanization of the dock processes has led to a berth at Haldia is being developed at a cost of rupees 336 crores under public-private partnership.
To cater to the future growth of the liquid cargo handling in the eastern region, a new liquid cargo handling facility is being built at a cost of rupees 77 crores and a handling capacity of 2.5 million metric tons.
To ease the road transport congestion, dispatches from Kolkata and Haldia docks are set to be made through the railway and port networks.
The river terminal being built at Balagarh will help to increase inland waterway traffic of cargo movement.
Striding towards digitizing their functions, the Kolkata Port Trust is in the process of implementing a robust ERP platform and making full use of the modified version of Port Community System 1X.
Sitting at the cusp of National Waterways 1 that links Haldia with Varanasi and National Waterways 2, connecting Assam via Indo-Bangla Protocol route, Kolkata Port caters to industries in Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh.
This 150-year-old port is poised to live up to the dream of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in creating a strong, modernistic port family for a vibrant future.